it's Claire from Scrappynerduk UK, and I thought I'd film this video as I haven't shown any of these on my channel, but I thought they were really interesting to share with you. I've done a couple of these now. I'm not so up to date on them, but this is one that I've had that I bought I think last year that I've not actually touched yet. I thought I would show you exactly what it is and what you get in the kit. So Paper Fox, which is a UK company, they sell Class in a Box, and they give you all the supplies and all of the instructions to make these layouts at home. They also run retreats as well, so I think you can buy the kits to then do it at a retreat as well. So best of both worlds. If you can't make it to a retreat or just want the kits to scrap from home, then you have the option to do that. So I'm going to get these out of the bag first of all. So you get a ton of goodies included, and I just have a little look at what we get with this one. So let's move all the bits and bobs out of the way. So I'm just going to check there's nothing in here that I shouldn't be sharing with you guys. Okay, I'm not too sure about the QR code, so I'm just going to cover that for now. But basically, you get all of your instructions in an instruction booklet like this, where it shows you exactly what you need, the supply list, and also what tools, etc. you'll need too. So I'm just going to move this one out of the way because I don't want to be sharing details that I shouldn't be. So included in this particular one, so this one is called Pack Your Bags. So each of the kits have a specific theme, and they tend to work with one collection over, I think that's true. Yeah, by the looks of things, it's just one collection it tends to work with. So let me see if there's a list. Is there a list of contents included in this? Let me have a little look. It gives you a list of the upcoming Class in a Box kits. This one is number 17. Number 18 was called Just Married, and number 19 was called Summer Vibes. And they do say that some of their previous classes can be purchased without a kit, so you could just purchase the instructions. So have a look on the website for that. I'll leave a link in the description box down below for you if you are interested. Let me have a little look. I'm not sure. It gives me a list of what's included in this kit, so we're just going to have to wing it, I think. So it looks like we've got a ton of cardstock. Now, I think, is it 6 layouts this makes? Yes, 6 fun classes inside your box, including the papers, embellishments and cardstock that you need to complete them. Each layout can be adapted to accommodate your photos and suit many subjects. As with all our kits, there are always plenty of leftover supplies to make more layouts and projects. You'll just need to supply the basic tools and supplies such as glue and tape plus suggested inks. Don't worry if you don't have the same ink suggested, you can swap to similar colours. Okay, cool. So yeah, there's a ton of white cardstock ready to make these 6 layouts. So for this particular kit, it looks like there is a sheet of A4 white and a sheet of A4 black as well. So the main collection it looks like we're going to be working with is the Simple Stories Pack Your Bags. And this is the actual collection kit. So I'm going to get this out because you can see I've not even had this open to have a look at it. So we'll have a look at it together. So this collection came out last year, I think. So as I said, this kit was actually purchased. This class was actually purchased last year. So this is, Pack Your Bag. So you get 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock, including cut apart element sheets and a 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet with 85 stickers. So we have this one, I love it, where you get like a whole page to create in just an element. We have the blue and polka dot. We have a little sky paper with a plane printed on it, love that, or a little check pattern on the back. We have a floral with a map print, tone on the back. We have these cute cactuses or a green diagonal stripe. We have these taxis and cars with luggage, or sightseeing buses as well, that's cool. And then we have this green teal paper with geotags. Then we have a suitcase paper, all lovely. I love a navy with these little hearts on. Then we have these little tickets, or a ready orange with daisy print. Then we have the 3x4 tags the tag elements, and I love the fact that they always do the blank ones on the back. Then we have the journal elements. So this is made up of a lot of 3x4 or bigger. I think some of these are slightly bigger than 3x4, but yeah, different elements that you can add journaling to, or this pattern is super cute. Alternatively, then we have these 3x4 elements, which always make your kit go so much further. Cutting these things out, using them as added embellishments are always fun. Then we have this 2x2 and 4x4 element sheet. Again, another way to make your kit go so much further. Or we have the reverse, which is this fun text print background. Then we have the 4x6. And again, I can see cutting these out, using these as pieces of ephemera. Or we have this super fun stripy pattern. I'd want 2 of those so I could do both, but there we are, I'm greedy. So then we have this a 12x12 sticker sheet. Great for a title right there. Again, just some really fun travel elements, passports, cameras, aeroplane, always a bike. There's always a bike included. Some little tabs. I love the word stickers that you get on these simple story sheets, and also the border strip. I always make a point to use that up as well. So this is what we have for the main collection. Then all the other bits and bobs that we get to go with it. So we have these little paper snips from Bramble Fox, which is the sister company, and these are designed to be cut out, trimmed out, and added to as embellishments. So what I'll probably do actually is I might do a video where I get my kit set up. So that will involve me cutting papers down, trimming, fussy cutting these out, getting all of my embellishments and stuff sorted into a box ready to go. So I might do that as a little kit prep video separately. So yeah, there's some paper snips ready to trim out. Then Bramble Fox, as I said, are the sister company, and they produce these perspectives, which are acrylic embellishments. So in this kit we get quite a few by the looks of things. So we get 3 that are going to be great for titles. One that says day trip, one says best views, and one says oh the places. Then we have these geo tags, and one says fave eats, discover, let's go, and explore. So 2 of them are in globes and 2 of them are in the geo tags. But I believe they're loose, so actually you can use them inside the geo tag or outside, which is quite handy. Then we have this pack here, which another more titles. One says explore and one says world traveler. And then we have this small little pack of little travel icons. So we have cars, aeroplanes, globes, and geotags. So those all look super fun to use. Some of them do still have the little plastic covering on. So these are dark blue, but they have plastic covering on, so they just need peeling off before using. So those are fun. Then I notice in this kit, it looks like we've got some stitching templates. So these are just plastic, almost like a plastic Ada. And these are designed for stitching. I suppose there's nothing wrong with inking through them as well, if you wanted. But yeah, these will help you create holes to then be able to stitch on your layouts in either a heart pattern or a star pattern. And yeah, so these are going to be super fun to have a play with. I don't have anything like that in my stash, so that's interesting. And then finally we have this little bag of added embellishments. So we have a I can't remember what these are called, but they're like the photo wheel. So that's cool. Then we also have, what does this say? Oh, this says super. So this is just another little die cut. Then we have some tickets. So these are going to be used for added embellishments by the looks of things. Oh, and we have some stamps. Just some old style stamps. Then we have some, it feels like waxed thread in 2 different colours in those blues. We have one little puffy heart, iridescent heart. And then we have a skein of yellow embroidery floss as well. So those will come in handy throughout the layouts. So yeah, I'm super excited to break this kit down, get it kitted up into a box so it's already out of packaging, removing all of the backs of these just so I'm good and I'm ready to go and get making these six layouts, because this has just been sat. I have a corner of a pile of stuff that I either purchased or want to work with from last year, and I just haven't got to it. So this is exciting to be able to dig through this and actually make these 6 layouts. I always like to change it up a bit as well. So I love classes for that initial start with the inspiration. But yeah, I love to go off key, grab, and especially because I'll be making these from home, it's great then that I have other stash on hand that I can then add in and personalize it and make it all my own. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed looking through this this kit. If you are interested in doing classes from home, this is a great way to be able to get your hands on a kit and classes. I'm not too sure when the next ones are available. I haven't actually looked at the website, so feel free to pop on over and actually have a look to see if there's anything live at the minute. If not, keep an eye on the website, and there's classes coming up all the time, along with retreats that they run several times a year as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop this back, and then I'll come back with another video where I break this down and get my kit prepped and ready to make a start. But if you have enjoyed today's video, as always, if you would be so kind to give the video a thumbs up, it really does help me to be discovered by others on YouTube that are searching for similar videos. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button so you are notified of each and every time that I upload. Hit the bell icon as well if you are, even if you are existing here, hit the bell icon. It sends you a message when I have uploaded a new video. And drop any comments in that comment section down below. And I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye guys.